But yeah, hello everyone. Happy, what, Tuesday? Happy Tuesday. I'm on my way back to work. I did not even make any footage this morning, but I'm coming in now. I made a little footage yesterday, but it ain't really about nothing. So yeah, I'm trying to decide if I should wear a hat or not. And I actually might take this, hoodie off because I'm actually hot. And I need lipstick on. Yeah. I just put some little curls in my hair because I felt like I was looking a mess. A total mess. Again, I'm still forcing myself to like this water. And I think I like it better room temperature versus cold, but that's just me. I'm a room temperature water drinker, I guess. I don't know what to call it, but I prefer my water room temperature versus ice cold like most people. So yeah, like I said, I'm debating if I should wear this hat with the curls. I mean, it's gonna look cute either way, I think. But I know, see, this is what the hat looked like with the curls. But I know the curls gonna fall because they always do. So yeah. Man, I feel so hot. What y'all think? Leave me a comment. Which one looked better in the video? With the hat or without the hat? Because to me it don't really matter. But like I said, I know the curls gonna fall. So I'm hot. And I got a t-shirt on up under this hoodie because it's starting to be very cold in the morning. I miss summer already. There's so many. You know what? Today I could make a rant video. I really could. But you know what? I said I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to let people in my job upset me. You know, I just got to just say, you know what? People going to be people. And everything they do, I expect them to do. So why should I expect anything different? So me getting upset don't change anything. So I'm just gonna brush it off my shoulder and do what I normally do. Do my job and be out of there. So yeah. Yep. Sometimes you just gotta motivate yourself and boost yourself, even though sometimes it's a little harder for me because I just take a lot of stuff kind of personal, and I shouldn't. And we're not even personal. Also, this is the new Rihanna lip balm stuff. I haven't made a review on it or told y'all how I feel about it. I haven't even showed this yet. But I bought this not too long ago. And it's actually really nice. It's creamy, no color, just only shine. I really need some lipstick on though. I hate the fact that I have dark lips. But this is me, this is who I am. I have dark lips and a whole lot of other things. But anyway. Yeah, sometimes I shouldn't say that I take things personal. But sometimes I just feel like some people just do things out of spite. You know, and I just be letting that stuff get to me, and I gotta say, you know, hold up. People gonna be people. And one thing I do notice, people gonna make sure that they're okay before they make sure you okay. Even though you might be looking to kind of satisfy everybody, or not even just satisfy everybody, to just, you know, be the team player. Not everybody want to be a team player. Some people is just selfish and for themselves. Forget the team. I'm gonna make sure I'm good and forget everybody else. That's just how some people are, and I need to understand that. I really do. And that's how I feel about some of my co-workers. You know, people gonna be people, and I need to keep reminding myself of that. People gonna be people, no matter what you think is right or what you think is wrong. It might not be wrong in their eyes. It's wrong if you see it as being wrong, but they don't see it as being wrong. So yeah, I guess that's like a motivational or some advice, or I don't know what you're gonna call it. Take it, call it what you want to call it. Shit, I don't know. I'm just saying. I'm learning just like y'all learning. This game we call life. I shouldn't even say a game, but the reality of life. So yeah, that's how my day went. And I already know when I get back, somebody gonna say something. But you know what? I'm just gonna say, you know, I'm just gonna say it. People gonna be people, and I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna leave it there. But yeah, y'all, I've been really thinking about flipping merchandise, flipping things that I find at like the thrift store. You know, I really want to do that. The stuff that I bought, I mean, I still have the stuff, but I just haven't listed the stuff on like eBay or Poshmark or OfferUp or any of those sites. But I'm gonna start doing that. I need to start doing that. I really need to push myself. You know how most people say, well, for the new year, I'm gonna start doing this. I'm gonna stop doing that. I'm gonna stop making goals for next year when I need to start like now. Because when you make a goal and you set a goal to start in the beginning of the year, 9 times out of 10 you're probably gonna forget the goal. And then 9 times out of 10 you're probably gonna forget the goal or the thing that you're trying to do, or you might just move on to and do something else, and this particular thing might be the thing that popped for you. But because, you know, I'm the type of person that I like a lot of things. I love trying a lot of things. You know, my parents were entrepreneurs, you know, so they put that in us to hustle and to work for yourself and to, you know, make your own money. And I've been trying to push Damon to do that, to be more like that, because, you know, I just want our own thing. I don't want us to have to solely depend on a 9 to 5, and that's exactly what we're doing right now. We're depending on, you know, a 9 to 5. How much money we got to bring in and all this other stuff in order to stay afloat, when we really need to be banking on ourselves. You know, you can't work so hard and don't work the same hardness or the same as you will work for yourself. You know what I'm saying? You know, you should work just as hard as you work that 9 to 5. You should work that the same that you will work for yourself. And that's what I'm trying to get him to understand. You know, if you have a hustle, a side hustle, no matter what your 9 to 5 do, you cool, you good, you Gucci is what they'll say. You Gucci. If your 9 to 5 end up shutting down, or, you know, you get laid off, or something happened, you know, and you don't skip a beat because you have your thing going. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get my thing going, so if anything was to happen, we don't skip a beat. You know, I really want a Tesla. Model X. That's what I want. You know, I'll take a Model 3, but that ain't really what I want. I mean, if I was to get a Model 3, it's all because it's affordable. But yeah. So that's what I'm on. I'm just trying to figure something out. So I've been looking at videos about flipping merchandise. You know, I just gotta do some more research on it before I actually get started. You know, but I really need to do that. So that's enough for me rambling and all that stuff. I'm gonna take the hat off so y'all can see and tell me which way looks better. I need some lipstick on. I still haven't put none on. Which way look better? Hat or no hat? Leave it in the comments. Leave in the comments too if y'all flip, if y'all resell stuff. What do you do for a side hustle, or do you just do your 9 to 5? I mean, I personally feel like I'm a hustler, you know, or entrepreneur, or whatever you want to call it. I honestly feel like I'm that, and I just got to get back to that, because I haven't did that in a long time. I actually used to sell purses, and we used to sell clothes a little bit years ago, and we just really need to get back to that. So yeah, what do y'all do? What's your side hustle, or do you just do your 9 to 5? You know, yeah. So I'll just come back later on. I wasn't recording. I thought I was. Remember when I told y'all my curls will fall? This is what I'm looking like right now. And this is probably about 2 hours. But it's more like a little wave now. I mean, it's still cute. Don't get me wrong. This is what the other side looked like. So, I mean, it's still cute, but... And I decided to wear the hat because I knew the curls would fall. And I kept my glasses on. This is what I'm giving y'all today. This is what I'm giving the world today. There we go. Tuck that on back behind my ear. Bring that up a little bit. There we go. I am loving this little thing I bought. The camera is dead, y'all. His blink is actually flashing. But I guess I'm going to insert this in somewhere. But this is what it is. I'm waiting for the middle school to come out. They should be out in a little bit. And we're going to keep this day moving. Yep. Alright, I'll try to come back again. If I don't forget to subscribe. Leave that comment in the bottom, in the comment section. As always, thank you for subscribing. To the ones who did subscribe. If you didn't, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. You know, because like I always say, you could be doing something else, but you decided to watch my video. And I really appreciate it. I really wish you'll subscribe though. But thanks for watching still. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.